Hey kids, welcome to my Animals Riddle Challenge. I am going to give you riddles. You have to guess the animals in 5 seconds.
Here's a first riddle. In the jungle, I wear a golden crown. I roar so loud, but don't wear a frown. Who am I? The lion, crowned king of the jungle, exudes regal power with its golden mane and majestic presence. Riddle No. 2. In the jungle's embrace, I silently tread. Stripes adorn me, black and orange spread. Who am I? A tiger has a large and strong body with brown fur and black vertical stripes. Tiger is a symbol of strength and power. Here's riddle number 3. I'm large and grey, with ears so wide, a trunk that swings from side to side. Who am I? The elephant is the world's largest living creature. The elephant is a species that is both intelligent and obedient. Here's riddle number 4. I have a shell on my back, moving slow. I'm someone you may know. Who am I? A turtle is a reptile that has a shell covering its body. Turtles are known for moving very slowly. Next riddle number 5. I have a pouch where my young one dwells. I'm bouncing with bells. Who am I? The kangaroo is the national animal of Australia. The kangaroo has a pouch on its stomach. They hide their child in this pouch and feed milk. Next riddle number 6. I'm black and white, with bamboo to chew. I'm a favorite too. Who am I? They live in bamboo forests in China. They come under the category of wild animals. Their favorite food is bamboo. Next riddle number 7. With a neck so long, I reach for the sky. Spots on my coat as I pass by. Grazing in the treetops, oh so high. Who am I? Giraffes are the tallest animal on the planet. They do not drink much water, despite having a large body. Giraffes spend almost their lives in standing position. Next riddle number 8. I'm covered in spots, sleek and fast. My speed is unsurpassed. Who am I? The cheetah is the world's fastest land animal. Cheetahs don't roar. They have excellent eyesight. They use their spotted coat as a disguise. Next riddle number 9. In fields of green, a hopper's delight, with fluffy ears and fur so bright. Small creature bounces with glee. Who am I? Rabbits have long ears which help them hear the faintest of sounds. They have long, powerful hind legs that propel them far in a single leap. Next riddle number 10. Graceful in the meadow, with antlers wide, Spots on my coat, I gracefully stride. Who am I?
Yay!
Deer are elegant herbivores often found in meadows and forests. Their spotted coats, especially in fawns, add to the charm of these gentle creatures in the wild. Next riddle. Number 11. In ponds I leap, a jump so spry, green and slimy under the sky. Who am I?
Yay!
Frog is an amphibious organism, which means it can live in both water and land. They make the sounds of Next riddle, number 12. In the trees, I swing and play, chattering loudly throughout the day. Tales and antics in the jungle, I stay. Who am I?
Yay!
Monkeys are naturally playful and mischievous animals. They like playing on branches and living in trees, swinging from one tree to the next. Next riddle, number 13. With a pattern so bold, like a monochrome tide, in the grasslands, I love to hide. Who am I?
Yay!
Zebras are most peculiar species due to the presence of black and white stripes on their back. They have remarkable eyesight, and they can even see in nights also. Next riddle, number 14. Hibernating in winter with a cozy lair. In the wild, I'm a grizzly. Beware. Who am I?
Yay!
Bears are carnivores, but they also feed on leaves and fruits. They can climb with ease and can swim. They undergo hibernation or deep sleep during winter. Next riddle, number 15. In the swamp, I silently glide, sharp teeth and scales by my side. Who am I?
Yay!
The crocodile belongs to the family of alligators. It is an amphibian and can survive on land as well as underwater. Next riddle, number 16. On one leg, in a marshy hue, my neck is long, my stance is true. Who am I?
Yay!
Flamingos can fly. They can sleep standing on one leg. They are noisy bird, and they live in big groups called flocks. Next riddle, number 17. In rivers I dwell, a hefty, robust shell, big mouth and a grunt. In water I excel. Who am I?
Yay!
Hippos are large, semi-aquatic mammals known for their massive bodies and distinctive snouts. Spending much of their time submerged, they are excellent swimmers. Next riddle, number 18. In the woods, I'm sly, with a coat so red, my bushy tail curls as I'm quietly led. Who am I?
Yay!
Foxes are crafty creatures with distinctive red or orange fur. Their keen intelligence and ability to adapt have made them successful in various habitats. Riddle. Number 19. In the jungle, I'm strong and grand. Silverback leader, a dominant stand. Who am I?
Yay!
Gorillas are powerful primates Known for their strength and social structures, the silverback, or dominant male, leads the group. Next riddle number 20, slithering silently, scales so sleek in the grass, I'm hard to seek. Who am I? Snakes are the most specialized group of reptiles. Snakes do not smell through their nostrils, but their tongues.